we go, CPKC train, let's go. Heck yes, everyone grab all the trains in for. Here we go, CP freight train, oh yes. Let's go. Would you look at that? Got ourselves a CP train. Double engines down there. Oh, nice little surprise. Today is Sunday, March 2nd, 2025 from Great World of Trains 814. Pretty long train. This usually is CPKC line. Two Canadian Pacific engines. These are auto cars that you see. These are just a little nice surprise. Yeah. Thank you for 142 subscribers. I really appreciate the one that has subscribed to this channel. Woohoo! Some audio for you. CP Auto Car. Good blank. 2 minutes in the video. Satisfying to listen to. Try to keep this camera as still as possible. Mexican company. Railroad company. Canadian Pacific Railway, CPKC. One of their newer cars, not too sure. But that is their logo. Really scary. Could there be a DP at the end of this train? And no, there's not. It's just a regular CP train. Surprisingly, no Kansas City Southern engines. So yeah, I really hope everyone enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Peace.